friend. Look at what came in the mail. Milo's measurement data. It looks like Milo and his friends kept working in the garden to collect more measurement data. He asked us to help him compare and organize the data they collected. Where should we begin? Let's look at the rocks first. He sent us the weights of 3 rocks, and he wants us to sort them from the heaviest to the lightest. He even included the balance scales as a visual. Oh, Milo is so helpful. All of the scales are balanced, which means we can count the snap cubes on each scale to find out how many snap cubes each rock weighs. Let's take a look at the first rock. How many snap cubes do you count? 3. This rock weighs 3 snap cubes. How about this rock? How heavy is it? Good thinking. This rock weighs 6 snap cubes. If this rock weighs 6 snap cubes and this rock weighs 3 snap cubes, which rock is heavier? This one, because 6 is more than 3. Just one more rock to compare. Look at the balance scale. How heavy is this rock? Good! This rock weighs 2 snap cubes. Is 2 heavier or lighter than 6? Lighter! And how about 3? It is also lighter than 3. We can say that this rock at the bottom is the lightest and the rock at the top is the heaviest. Great job comparing the weight of those rocks. Now, let's move on to the leaves. Just like the rocks, we have 3 leaves to compare. Milo didn't include the exact measurements with these leaves. That's okay. We can still sort them. Since we don't know exactly how many snap cubes long each leaf is, we will have to compare the lengths by looking at them. Can you tell which leaf is the shortest? Maybe you can, but it's pretty hard to tell when they aren't organized. That's better. Now, which one do you think is the shortest? Good! This one is the shortest. Out of these 2 leaves that are left, which one is shorter? This one! That means the final leaf is the longest leaf. Great job! We can compare and sort the leaves' length without the exact measurements. The final thing Milo asked for our help with is the sunflowers. He told me that the pictures of the sunflowers were too big to fit into his notebook, so he just left the exact measurements for us. Take a look. This data tells us how many snap cubes tall each sunflower is. Do you think we can compare and organize these sunflowers by height if we don't have the pictures? We sure can. The first sunflower is 16 snap cubes tall. The second is 9 snap cubes tall, and the third sunflower is 14 snap cubes tall. 16, 9, and 14. How can we use those numbers to find the tallest sunflower? We know that the more snap cubes we add to a tower, the taller the tower will be. So that must mean that the biggest number belongs to the tallest sunflower. Friend, which number here is the biggest? 16. Good thinking. Which number is the smallest? 9. And that leaves 14 right in the middle. Great job! We just compared and organized the sunflowers by height using their exact measurements. Wow, friend! Thanks so much for helping me compare and organize Milo's data. Who knew there were so many different ways to use our measurement data? Remember, in math, we can solve any problem together. You can count on it. See you next time. Hey, hey.